We've all heard the saying, money doesn't grow on trees. We don't get to pick money off money trees like apples. Making money doesn't come naturally. We must work hard day after day, and if we're lucky, we may be able to save something for retirement. Well, that's not entirely true. In the next few minutes, you'll see how it is possible to grow money on trees and let nature do the hard work. Why buy timberland? Quite simply, timberland is a low-risk, long-term but high-yield investment. Most low-risk, long-term investments have yields of 5 to 7%, CDs, Treasury notes and bonds, certain mutual funds, whereas over the years, timber has consistently yielded its owners 12 to 15% and higher returns on their investments. This is not rocket science, but knowing a few things beforehand does make a big difference. There are 3 ways your money will grow when you own timberland. First, there's timber growth. Each piece of timberland will grow at a different rate. For this reason, timberland is gauged with a site index. A site index is a number given to a piece of land to gauge the growth rate of the timber on that land. In Arkansas, timber grows at a rate of 10% or more each year. This percentage is not an educated guess. It can be carefully calculated by taking bore samples and measuring the trees on the land. Given this data, a forester can rate the land with a site index number. A site index of 70 means that in 50 years, the timber will grow 70 feet. A site index of 90 means that in 50 years, the trees will grow 90 feet. You can see the higher the site index number, the faster the timber grows, and the faster your money grows. Next are product classes. The 3 classes of timber are pulpwood, which is used to make paper products, chip and saw, which are 2x4s, and lumber, which are 2x6s and larger. Pulpwood sells for $5 per ton, chip and saw sells for $25 per ton, and lumber sells for $40 per ton. So buying timberland that is just a few years away from jumping from one class to the next is a great opportunity. Trees that are worth $5 a ton one year can be worth $25 a ton the next. Finally, there's land appreciation. The USDA reports Arkansas land is increasing in value at 7.8% each year. Timberland and agricultural land are comparable in price. Consider that the average price per acre for agricultural land in Arkansas in 1997 was $968. By 2007, the average jumped to $1,720 per acre, and the average is still going up. This 7.8% from Arkansas land is a great return when you consider for this 10-year period, Arkansas land outperformed both the S&P 500, which increased in value at 7.2% per year, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which increased at 7.6%. As with any investment, there are risks. However, the risk in timberland investment in Arkansas is very low, less than 0.5%. That means, on average, 1 tree out of 200 has a chance of being lost due to fire, insects, disease, or weather. This may be one of the reasons Michael Dell, founder of Dell Computer Company, has bought 900,000 acres of timberland in recent years. With Brown Land and Timber Company's worry-free program, all you have to do is buy timberland and wait for your money to grow on your trees. That's it. We'll take care of all the details of ownership, including paying your real estate tax and making sure your timber is thinned properly when needed. Oh, and when you thin your timber, the logging company writes you a check. By now, you're probably asking yourself, how do I buy these trees that grow money? First, contact Brown Land and Timber Company for your order form. Second, complete the form and send it back. We'll take care of the rest. We'll immediately start searching our proprietary database to locate properties that other potential buyers never get to see. As a practice, we won't buy property from advertisements, MLS listings, the internet, forestry firms, or realtors. We've found out over the years, if you've purchased land already on the market, chances are you've paid too much. When choice land is located, Brown Land and Timber Company will negotiate the lowest possible price and then make an offer on your behalf. And remember,
The only way we make more money is when you pay less. When the offer is accepted, Brown Land and Timber Company will make sure the title work is completed and all documents and deeds are properly prepared and executed. All documents and deeds will be overnighted to you so that you can arrange for their safekeeping. You are now a proud timberland owner. So sit back and let nature grow money on your trees.